We've all been there. That sudden, agonizing stomach ache. So how can we get rid of it quickly and naturally? Ready? Let's dive into some practical solutions that can relieve stomach pain in just 2 minutes. First up, the miracle of heat compression. Grab a hot water bottle or a warm cloth and place it on your stomach. The heat relaxes your stomach muscles, easing those cramps and spasms. Next, let's talk about the power of herbal tea. A soothing tea can work wonders for your stomach. Ginger, mint, or chamomile tea are all great options. Ginger helps with nausea, while mint and chamomile reduce cramps. And don't forget about water. Sometimes, stomach pain is just dehydration in disguise. Sip warm water slowly to aid digestion and balance stomach acid.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.